The following is a production of The Reporter, Delaware County's leading news source.
Good day to everyone on Monday the 18th. And no one can complain about the temperatures the last 4 days or so. They've been, unless you like warm weather, then you weren't happy. But if you like it like I do, temperatures in the 60s, not so bad. I mean, we had 63, we had 68, we had one day of 70. And then today where we're starting at 54, it's just where it should be. Let's put it that way, okay? Saturday, actually, let's start with Friday. Friday, you got to see your breath when you stepped out in the morning because it was 38 degrees. But it did warm up to be a very nice mid-60s, and there was a light wind blowing. In fact, I even managed to mow the entire cow pasture. That was wonderful because it finally dried out for the first time in what seems like weeks. And then we had a much warmer Friday night. It got to 44. Saturday wasn't bad at all. The nice thing has been there was no humidity until right now as I'm standing in it. Yesterday afternoon, about 4 o'clock, it started very light rain. By 5 o'clock, it was an okay kind of a rain. It stopped by 5:30. I said, oh good, maybe that's it. If you were up at midnight last night, it poured, okay? This morning when I took the precipitation reading, 0.6 of an inch fell. So I decided to add things up. Believe it or not, even though it seems like it hasn't dried out this month, we've had about 3 inches of rain. Normal's 4.8, so we still have a long ways to go to hit normal. So then I added up the year as of right now, and even putting the 3 inches in there, we're already an inch over for the year, which means by the time this month ends, maybe we'll be 2 inches over, whatever it's going to be. So I don't think I need to tell you, we've been dry, and then we've been wet, and then we've stayed wetter. We had one of the wettest summers. It hasn't ended until Saturday. But what I do next time I talk to you on, well, I won't have it on Thursday either, but I'll give you an idea about how wet the summer was. Because the nice thing is, after today's finished, we're going to have 5 or maybe 6 days of sunny weather. I'll take that too. The only thing that's going to do is make the grass grow again. I tried to mow some yesterday, and we started out with fog. It never really dried, and I got done what I could. But even with my big mower, I had to stop twice and unplug it. I said, okay, it's just too wet. I'm a little tired of being wet. You've noticed the tree leaves are now really changing color. If you happen to like yellow, brown, and a few reds. They did say it is changing, and I have a feeling probably in the next couple weeks with the 60s during the day and upper 30s, low 40s at night, we should see whatever color change going to take effect happening pretty soon. So we'll wait and see what happens with that. And like I said, 5 or 6 days of sunny weather, I'll take it, okay? So nothing tragic in our forecast. Enjoy the sunshine when we finally get it, but it won't be today. Expect an on and off shower sort of all day long. Have a real good one. I'll talk to everybody again on Thursday.
To subscribe or advertise, call 607-464-4009.